Now, a very important point that we are going to discuss today is reservation in promotion to people with disabilities. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है फ्रॉम द GS1 एंड पॉलिटी फॉर प्रीलिम्स. अब ये इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि देयर हैव बीन अ लॉट ऑफ लॉज या सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बहुत सारे इंटरप्रिटेशंस हैं. We need to understand them. I have tried to simplify it at the max it can be done, and I'll be making this interesting for you, because this whole process of providing reservation is very touchy issue for everyone. ठीक है? But to achieve social justice and the kind of discrimination, the kind of society that we live in, the discrimination people face, reservations have proved very helpful. Okay, so we'll be trying to understand as to what is the provision in Constitution, what are the provisions in the Supreme Court judgments for the people with disabilities, what are the laws for people with disabilities. There was a law for people of disabilities rights and protections act 1995, and then it was amended in 2016. ठीक है? So there was a case in Supreme Court which granted the right of reservation to people with disabilities. We will be dealing with all this. Why news? Because Supreme Court has affirmed a Kerala High Court judgment holding that persons with physical disabilities are entitled to reservation in promotion. People with disabilities, okay, this was a previous judgment. ठीक है? This is a part of this judgment as well, but this was a previous judgment. We'll be dealing with it. Further, the mode of recruitment can't devoid the beneficiary of the reservation benefits. A very important point that came out of this judgment is the mode of recruitment means the person got selected through a recruitment process or through any other process, है ना, through walk-in या किसी भी तरीके से. If the person has a job and that position of the job is entitled for a seniority, is entitled for a promotion, that then that person is entitled to that promotion. It can't be taken away just because the method of recruitment of the person was different from the others. Okay, तो right to equality, ठीक है, article 14, article 15 right to equality in educational institutions, article 16 right to equality in employment. ठीक है? तो article 16 becomes very important because it provides right to equality in employment to everyone. मतलब the state shall not discriminate with anyone on the grounds of religion, race, sex, caste or place of birth in case of employment. One important point is, however, Parliament can provide a place of residence as a criteria for jobs. ठीक है? But state government cannot provide that. Okay, that was special. I got reminded of the fact, and that is why I'm telling you. Not important for this point, but now Article 16. If it's not visible, it's not important. There shall be equality of opportunity. Article 16 का जो core thought है कि there shall be equality of opportunity, and the state cannot discriminate in the providing the employment to its citizen only on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, residence, or any of them. So it is very important that you go through all the kind of provisions where the state cannot discriminate in all the articles. Like article 19 में कौन कौन से provision है जहाँ पे state restriction लगा सकता है. ठीक है? और ऐसे article 23 में, article 24, article 16. तो article 16 में कुछ provisions mentioned हैं, that is race, religion, caste, sex, place of birth, descent और residence. इनमें से किसी भी वजह से, इनमें से किसी भी basis पे state cannot impose a disability. Yes, state cannot discriminate between two aspirants based on any of these or only of these. ठीक है? Article 16 4A states that nothing in this article shall prevent. Okay, we'll be taking it later. हाँ, तो आर्टिकल 16(4) से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. This is a procedure. This is the timeline of how the reservation in India has progressed. Article 16(4) says that. Article 16(1) says that there shall be no discrimination in employment in the state services. मतलब स्टेट की किसी भी जॉब में किसी प्रकार का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, सेक्स, डिसेंट, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ या रेसिडेंस के बेसिस पे नहीं कर सकता स्टेट. ओके. But Article 16 is not an exclusionary law. ठीक है? It does not only talk about equality, it talks about equity as well. It also empowers the state to make some special provisions in the favor of people who are educationally and socially backwards, who are from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. ठीक है? तो जो marginalized society of the people है, उनके लिए special provisions भी बनाता है. ओके. और डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को भी प्रोहिबिट करता है आर्टिकल 16. नाउ आर्टिकल 16(4) से दैट स्टेट कैन मेक एनी प्रोविजंस फॉर द रिजर्वेशन ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट्स और पोस्ट्स. नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि कैसे क्या हुआ, फिर कैसे, मतलब देयर वाज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, मतलब यहाँ पे एक जुडिशरी और लेजिस्लेचर के बीच में एक टसल था. ठीक है, विल बी डीलिंग विद दैट. आर्टिकल 16(4) में state can make any provision for reservation for appointment or posts in favor of any backward class of citizens. Now any backward class of citizens का identification क्या है? Socially and educationally. ठीक है? Social and educational backwardness, SEBC. Any kind of backward class of citizens who in the opinion of the state are not adequately represented. यहाँ पे दो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. ओपिनियन ऑफ द स्टेट एक इंपॉर्टेंट है और एडिकेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब ओपिनियन ऑफ द स्टेट किस पे बेस्ड होगी? फैक्ट्स पे. ओके. वो फैक्ट किस चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? एडिक्वेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन को. क्या कोई कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में एडिकेटली रिप्रेजेंटेड है? अगर वो कम्युनिटी सोशली एंड एजुकेशनल बैकवर्ड थी, मतलब अगर कोई भी कास्ट है या कोई भी कास्ट ग्रुप है जो कि सोशली और एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड है, ओके, सोशल एजुकेशनल बैकवर्डनेस है जिसके अंदर, ठीक है, और वो कम्युनिटी हमारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की जॉब्स में अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेड है. अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेशन मतलब अगर उनका पॉपुलेशन 40% है लेकिन उनका जॉब्स में उनकी प्रेजेंस 20% ही है, तो दैट विल बी एन अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है. तो अगर एक कोई कम्युनिटी जो कि सोशल एंड एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड है और उसका अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी है, अगर कोई कम्युनिटी जो कि सोशल एंड एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड नहीं है एंड स्टिल उसका अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, तो गवर्नमेंट उसमें इंटरफेयर नहीं करेगी. ओके. बट अगर कोई कम्युनिटी SEBC है, सोशली एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड भी है और वो अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेड भी है सर्विसेज में, सर्विसेज ऑफ द स्टेट, स्टेट मीन्स सेंटर एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बोथ, तो उस केस में स्टेट कैन मेक स्पेशल प्रोविजंस इन द फेवर ऑफ देम. अब वो स्पेशल प्रोविजंस कैसे हो सकते हैं? कोटास के फॉर्म में हो सकते हैं, बाय लोअरिंग द कट ऑफ. ठीक है, ये हो सकता है. तो ये है आर्टिकल 16(4). That was now Article 16 was challenged by in the Indira Sahni judgment. Mandal case, the famously known Mandal case. Mandal case में 26% of reservation was granted to OBC category of people. ठीक है, apart from the existing reservation to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people. ठीक है. तो अब 26% रिजर्वेशन को चैलेंज कर दिया. तो इंदिरा साहनी जजमेंट, इंदिरा साहनी वाज द लॉयर who challenged the Mandal Commission recommendation, implementation of the Mandal Commission recommendations. In that case, Supreme Court held that reservation is only appointment can be provided and not in promotion. This is a very landmark judgment कि appointment में reservation मिल सकता है, promotion में नहीं मिल सकता है. ठीक है. रिजर्वेशन कांट एक्सीड द 50% लिमिट. 50% लिमिट को एक्सीड नहीं कर सकता है रिजर्वेशन. एंड द थर्ड वन इज क्रीमी लेयर इज एप्लीकेबल. मतलब अगर ओबीसी कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल में कुछ लोग जो हैं फाइनेंशियली वेल ऑफ हो गए, तो उनको दोबारा रिजर्वेशन नहीं मिलना चाहिए. ये एक कंसेप्ट था इंदिरा साहनी जजमेंट में कि क्रीमी लेयर का कंसेप्ट. ओके. Now Article 16(4)(a) was inserted through 75th Constitutional Amendment Act, 77th Constitutional Amendment Act 1995. इस जजमेंट को डाइल्यूट करने के लिए आर्टिकल 16(4)(a) ऐड किया गया एंड थ्रू 77th Constitutional Amendment Act 1995 it said that the state can make reservation in promotions for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe if not adequately representation. Indira Sahni judgment में reservation will be only provided for appointment and not in promotion. Article 16(4)(a) said that a state can provide reservation for SC/ST if they are not adequately represented for promotion also. ठीक है, तो इंदिरा साहनी जजमेंट को डाइल्यूट कर दिया, लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट था कि SC/STs के लिए ही प्रोवाइड किया जा सकता है, नॉट फॉर OBC कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट्स. दैट वाज द 16(4) आर्टिकल 16(4)(a). Now what happened was, this is the existing framework. ठीक है. Now right of persons with disabilities act. This says that additional benefits such as reservation in higher education not less than 5% and government jobs not less than 4% should be provided. तो जो rights of people with disabilities act है, that itself says that 4% of the seat should be reserved. ठीक है, for people with disabilities. Okay. लेकिन यहाँ पे रिजर्वेशन अगेन इज अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए है, प्रमोशन के लिए नहीं. बट इन 2016 इटसेल्फ, ठीक है, राजीव गुप्ता एंड अदर्स वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया इन 2016, सुप्रीम कोर्ट नोटेड दैट आर्टिकल 16(4), जो आर्टिकल 16(4) है, इट प्रोवाइड्स फॉर प्रेफरेंशियल ट्रीटमेंट फॉर सर्टेन क्लास ऑफ सिटीजंस हु आर डिसएडवांटेज्ड, लाइक शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइबल पीपल. It says that the principle laid down in Indira Sahni judgment, okay, is applicable only to the SEBC community, socially and educationally backward community, and not to the other disadvantaged communities like people with disabilities and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people. Therefore, the reservation, जो assertion Indira Sahni judgment में है कि promotion में reservation नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना, that will be applicable to OBC category candidates but will not be applicable to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people, and similarly it will not be applicable to people with disabilities. ठीक है. Hence the court struck down, the court did a rereading of Indira Sahni judgment and basically found that people with disabilities will have the right of reservation in promotions as well. Okay, so Indira Sahni judgment is only limited to what? The people from the OBC background या socially and educationally backward community. बाकी जगह पे promotion reservation applicable है. That was about the right of reservation for the people with disabilities. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to.